Israel's war machine is now facing a crisis from within, not just on the battlefield, but inside its own ranks. The IDF is warning of a massive troop shortage. Tens of thousands are avoiding the draft. And at the same time, a deadly Hezbollah drone threat is exposing major gaps in Israel's defense system. Here's more in this report.
Israel's military is fighting on multiple fronts, but its biggest warning may now be coming from within the IDF. Senior Israeli military officials have told lawmakers that the IDF's manpower shortage is set to worsen dramatically in the coming month. The current gap of 12,000 troops could soon rise to 17,000. This comes as the first batch of soldiers under a shortened 13-month service term prepare to leave the force in early 2027. Israel is also dealing with a growing draft evasion crisis. Thousands of ultra-Orthodox men continue to resist conscription, and the number of those classified as draft dodgers could soon reach 90,000. The IDF says it is ready to absorb far more recruits, but political deadlock over exemption laws continue to block a long-term solution. As the troop crisis deepens, a new battlefield threat is adding even more pressure. Lebanon's Hezbollah has optimized fiber optic drones, which are emerging as one of the most dangerous challenges for Israel's military. Unlike conventional drones, these systems used optical fiber cables to maintain contact with operators, making them almost immune to electronic jamming and modern warfare systems. The result is deadly precision strikes that the IDF admits it cannot fully stop. Over the last month alone, the drones have killed soldiers and civilians while injuring many more. They are fast, cheap, and easy to deploy. Reports suggest that the drones cost just a few $100s to build. Now, Israel is scrambling for countermeasures. The IDF has started distributing massive wire mesh systems across combat zones, hoping that physical barriers can reduce the drone's impact. At the same time, dozens of technological solutions are being tested, but officials reportedly admit that there is still no single effective answer. In an emergency meeting last week, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu approved 2 billion shekels for rapid development of counter-drone systems. The move underlines a growing fear inside Israel's security establishment that the country is entering a new era of warfare, where low-cost drones can expose high-cost military vulnerabilities. For Israel, this is no longer just about Lebanon or Iran. It is about whether the IDF can sustain a long war with fewer soldiers and against its enemies using cheaper, smarter, and harder-to-stop weapons.